So we are in Rajamundry and this is the river Godavari. This place is called the Pushkar Ghat. I'm here with a group of these very nice people because we are here part of the Art of Living training. And see, that's my friend Bindu. And this is for my, tacky little channel that I have on YouTube. And you don't come on the screen. So that's what we are here, and it's really hot. It's like 11:30 in the afternoon, and I think I'll have to later edit this video because it's just going on. This is beautiful, I think. And this bridge, I think we'll try to climb this bridge. There's a bridge over here. So I wonder how we can climb up the bridge because is it open to people? I'm not sure. Video?
Making of the video.
Yeah.
Making of the video also can be taken.
Yeah. Making of the video.
Somebody
Very
else is
close
taking.
friend of mine is shooting the video for me. So this is
Yeah.
a very crazy little video with me looking.
Yeah, you are looking good, lady.
Thank you. So we'll go climbing that bridge.
Okay,
Thanks
that's
on
Godavari for you.
Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Yeah, it's so sweet. I could